In this video, you'll discover how to track your requests or find a draft. To access the process application, go to your customer space and click on Tickets. To access more quickly, you can also click directly on the Tickets page of your customer space in the hamburger menu. Notifications allow you to see immediately if any ticket have been commented on. To find all your requests and drafts, click on the My Requests tab. A system of filters is available to help you quickly find a ticket and find out what stage it is in the support process. You can comment on a ticket that has already been opened and reply to the support team. You can also cancel a ticket